Okay, this video is show you how to enable and control the tracking function. On the control box of the gimbal, there's one multi-channel. It's a multi-channel. This channel you use to enable and control the tracking. Now we are using this 3-gear channel to control the multi-channel. And now it's at the low position. Flip this to middle. You'll see that the cursor appear on the screen. That means the tracking is enabled. If we flip this gear from middle position to high position, now the object is tracked. Then you try to move the gimbal. You see, that means the object is tracked. Okay, let's try to track a car. Okay, let's try to track a car. For example, now the gear is at the low position. Flip to the middle position. The cursor appears. High